What a night of trying to record a video. All full of laughs, all full of fun, but hey, real quick, I just want to say that I would like to do a giveaway once we all reach 100 subscribers on my channel. And I just want to thank you all for your appreciation, your dedication to my channel. There's a very specific somebody that I haven't reached out to see if I could blast her name out on the interweb, on the YouTube. But I thank you so much. I thank you for taking your time out of your personal life to speak with me, to help educate me, to answer my questions, my shenanigans. I just thank you so much, and I thank all of you for being patient with me. You know, I'm new, I'm trying, I'm exploring, and I'm having fun. But the point is, let's get to 100 subscribers on this channel, and I'll be doing a giveaway and giving away some of my items. I think that would be pretty cool. All right, let's see. Let's do a straight pour tonight. This will be my 5th pour for the evening. No joke. Okay, well, you know, as I just said, it has been super fun and such an interesting night. My phone decided to put out on me. So, I had to charge it, and we'll see what happens with this. Oh, boy. I'll probably have to redo this one, too. But I'm going to keep positive hopes. I'm going to turn this into a wiggle jiggle, or I don't know what these things are called yet. I ain't got the lingo down. But I am just so appreciative of you all. Thank you so, so much. Seriously. Maybe I just was not supposed to record tonight. But anyways, I do have a funny story about my torch. I know, hold on. In the past videos, I've been saying like, oh my gosh, it doesn't work. I just needed to fill it up with butane. And I've been so afraid to fill it up with butane because the last few times that I have been, it got me. Like, it sprayed on me. It was the oddest thing. So I have been afraid to fill up my torch ever since. And I just kept blaming it on the torch, like, something's wrong with the torch. Nope. Something was just definitely wrong with myself. Alright. So this is where I've been having trouble with, like, these lines. Today I used hot pink from Deco Art, and I used the titanium white from Master's Touch, and black from Anita's, and I think bright yellow from Deco Art also. I'm going to try to keep this angle or this canvas in sight of the camera. I also repositioned my camera and have it sitting on something else. But I will still do my best at this. But yeah, I just want to show my appreciation to everyone who has stayed dedicated, and you know, the new subscribers. I so appreciate all of you. You know, it's taken me a while to find something that I enjoy, you know, and you know, sometimes it really shouldn't be that hard to find something that you enjoy, but you know, with trials and tribulations of life, and you know, sometimes not making the best decisions in life, it definitely prevented me from finding something positive and something that I could stay committed to doing. And I enjoy this. I really do. I definitely enjoy it with all the support and people helping me through this journey. You know, it's definitely not easy. This journey of life, but I'm not going to get too emotional here, but just know that, you know, I'm a real person. I'm a real person like you, and just trying to have fun with this one life we have. And having fun is totally different than it was before. So this is way more cooler part of my life than anything. But anyway, before I start getting way too off topic, this is turning out pretty cool. What I do need help with is these. Like, I want to stretch them out, but I don't want to lose so much of my composition or stuff. So what do? Do I just like kind of run this part off and maybe stretch it? I guess that's what we're gonna try, I suppose. I don't want to lose like all the colors, but I definitely don't want those lines just chilling there, if that makes sense. I hope it does. I like this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and yeah, alright. Hey, how about that? I mean, I feel like if I bring it back more over here, that this is just going to stretch. So, do we call it good? I say we pause it and I go wash my hands. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so I'm also went and brought a painting that I did earlier. This one. I love this one. I don't know how I did this, but I did it. Funny thing is, I was making a video kind of what I'm talking about right now, and I totally thought I paused it to go wash my hands. I did not. I came back and pressed what I thought was the unpause button, but it was the pause button. So, oops, that did not work. But I think there's not much I can really do to this one anymore. So, I guess we're just gonna call it. But again, I just hope that we can get to 100 subscribers and we will have a giveaway. And thank you guys so much again. Thank you. Please leave some tips about this. Like when I get stuck in a position like this, like this up here is cool. But this, if I keep stretching it somewhere, I'm gonna either lose what I want to keep, or this is just gonna keep like getting smushed together. So I'm gonna pause it and bring you back to the other painting. Alright, here's that other painting. I hope you guys really enjoy this too, and hope that you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and a wonderful morning. Alright, see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Alright, so I actually did stretch this out, if you can tell. I took this side of the canvas and just tilted it this way and let it go, and then bounced it right back. So I think it looks a little better with these spread out. Alright, cool.